Well, this is looking like a pretty good spot. Not sure how deep the snow is, but my probe's only 8.5 feet long, and the snow's deeper than my probe. Plus, look at the scenery here. I mean, that's gorgeous. All right, time to use the snow saw. Oh, this turned into such a beautiful day. Well, I've run into the top of another tree. Oh, dealing with these trees is the worst. Oh, this snow is really strong. Usually when I'm digging out a tunnel like this, you'll hear the snow settle a little bit. Hey, check it out. Looks like I got my tips frosted. Huh. Oh, my gloves froze up. I always got to bring an extra pair of liners. I'll tell you what, I've worked up a bit of an appetite and I'm excited for dinner. I've got shish kebabs and couscous. All right, we got chunks of seasoned chicken wrapped in bacon. Lay this on our little grill here. Bacon wrapped chicken shish kebabs and couscous. Little chunks of chicken wrapped in bacon. Oh, that is hard to beat.